Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're installing a windshield on my dad's Trail S. So this is simple. You just snap in the inserts and then put the rubber around the lip. I'll pass in half the windshield. 2 people on this would be better.
Oh, yeah.
And then you go underneath the roof. All right. Then you go, oops. Make sure your rubber doesn't come off. And then you tuck it in there. You good? All right, so you sit it in place, and then basically you just push it in, and then these here will just lock in. That's it. That's all that needs to be done. And then you make sure in the front here that you're not touching the plastics so it doesn't rub through. So that's the only thing you have to worry about. And then here, same thing. Just snap it in. Make sure it's not touching the plastic so it doesn't rub through. And then this one here, same thing. This one's not sitting in all the way. There we go. And that's what you get. And this one here is from a Polaris front windshield. So you just flip these up and you vent away, you get some air coming through. So that's what's nice about this one. Then you just snap back into place. Same thing with the driver's side. Just push it in and then you get the air. So simple install. So basically that's it. And it's just cooked there. So next one, we're gonna do the back windshield, the back glass. So we'll catch you on the next one. So thanks for watching and bye for now.